Be a warning to all of you. If you ain't serving the Lord, you serve that devil. This is what you get for evil in your life.
Big up the country squad and the country people them all over the world. You are now tuned in to the most monitored vlog.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice.
When I was coming home, I heard the shots bursting. So I ran home to see what going on. And when I reached, I see she on the ground, lifeless. I feel sad because that is my real G check. Because whereas getting that girl that just make the day proper for fellas. When we not happy and she there, we always happy because it was sad. It's sad to see that girl go like that. The girls I watch out, I see wow, really? So you go. I'm disappointed because to me, them man did not to kill a girl, yeah. Them man did not to kill a girl. That is a little girl. The girl just turned 15.
My friend now was on different type of thing that hurted me a lot, but then again, not everybody that's perfect, but they still didn't have to kill her because she's still a young girl out there. They got a big woman and different type of thing. So for the fellas that do that, God that going to take care of them. Eh? So yeah, that's what I could say. Yeah, she used to do things. Yeah, she used to do things, but still, she young. So it had to come out from things you're doing already. Yeah. Yeah, I used to talk to her. All of us used to talk to her and tell her the things she's doing, she have to stop it for a girl. She can't be doing them things and different type of things. She have to stop and different type of thing. She have to change. And she always tell us she would have changed. She want to do them thing again and different type of thing. She wanted to go back to school and all that type of thing.
You are going dead to Ross clot, bottom feeder. You are going dead to blood clot. Yeah, I heard Riley got buried yesterday. And it was such a sad day. You hear how all our friends them sound. Them there's a group of man, you know. Youth them in our neighborhood. Down at waterworks where she dead. You understand? And the man them respect the little girl. You can hear it in the man them voice. How sad them feel. Yo, me feel the same way about this case. Now, she got buried yesterday. And you want to tell me that the police them don't have no lead on this effing case? We talked about several different scenarios involving with this little girl. We know she used to deal with a policeman and them said it's the policeman she set up and the policeman come back. Now we also know that she used to deal with Baboon King. One a Baboon King, two a Baboon King man them used to sleep with her and them thing there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now, we know, like our friend them said, she was a young girl and we know she get mixed up and was doing things, but the thing that people fail to realize, she was influenced, you know, by all adults. So the adults them that was around her, that would be the guys them or whoever the girl them she hang out with, Baboon King friend them, whoever, they were the one that was aiding and abetting this young lady. Now, in a murder case or any case, the first thing you do, you have to talk to the people them and investigate the people them that's closest to the person. And you have to also look for motive. I just spill out like 2-3 different motives. So the police, please, I'm asking y'all to please, Mr. God, please solve this case, because it's really bothering me, and I am gonna stay on top of it. I'm very much gonna do that. So if you guys don't want to hear Countryman mouth, I am asking the police them, please make a move on this case. The little girl just got buried yesterday. Now with that said, I am going to talk a little bit about her father. Her father is a man named Garden, and my intel has told me that last night under the CDC, I guess the CDC is a group of apartments somewhere in a Castries, St. Lucia. Them beat him up and them shot off him. Actually, them shoot him. I heard they shoot him, but the bullet grazed him head, and him a wear bandage all over him head. And that's what me hear. Listen, this guy, he is the most worthless father. I'm gonna say the most worthless father of the year. Hold on, let me play him song real quick.
Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel govern the world, worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy they have some. Them are some bad, some feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead rascal, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass your front up, look less of your seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this are no seaweed. How man a touch them up, feel free weed. How man feel love us to shit the real leader from body them ban. Harry breed them no in a mile and check it that she see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder.
You are dead to rascal, bottom feeder. You are dead to blood clot. Yeah, Gordon, you need to do better as a father, cause I know you have other kids. And me hear some one of your son hang out with Baboon King friends them. Step up, even though you get a shot in your head and it graze you. That is a wake up call. You understand? So yo Garden, step up and be a father. Cause you see, we know a couple people with this them kids, you know. And you know where them they know. Enough of them dead. Bad luck. Catch them. We know one specific young lady. She get a bullet in her head, a stray bullet. And she treat her kids them fuck up. You understand? Some of us I tell you. With that said, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.